So my friend filmed this video of this bird, and I want to film it too, but I don't know how to turn.
So this bird is literally playing chicken with me.
Like, we keep trying to drive, and it won't fly away.
It's just puffing out its feathers and saying, "Bring it,
bring it."
Yeah, bring it. Oh my gosh, it's just, I think I'm gonna run him over. Hold on.
No.
Where is he? I gotta back up.
Don't run him over.
He's like totally. Oh my gosh, he's just sitting there. He's sitting down. He is sitting down. What the? So before, when I started driving towards him the first time, just to back out, he like flared out his feathers and was like, "Don't you dare." Let's see if he even budges.
Oh my.
He's not even. I cannot believe this. I've never seen anything like this. I think this is how birds die.
This is how birds die.
He's just sitting there.
Oh my goodness.
Hold on, I'm gonna drive around him.
This bird be crazy. In the hay.
This is really bad. Okay. Let's see how close I can get. Oh my gosh. He's not even budging. I wonder, oh my gosh.
What?
She's protecting her eggs. What a faithful mother. That is inspirational.
That is adorable. I thought it was just being a stubborn chicken.
Oh my gosh, I am sorry for everything I said to you, little birdie. Oh my goodness.
She is birdful.
I can't believe that. That is like amazing. She will not leave her eggs.
Leg, birdful.
Wow.
Hey, she's birdful.
I'm sorry for teasing you, mother bird.
You're so beautiful, birdful.
Oh my goodness. I'll leave you alone. I'm so happy I didn't even go any closer because you really weren't gonna move.
Oh my gosh.
What an amazing bird.
What a twist.
Why would you lay your eggs there? They camouflage so well.
I hope no one runs the road.
Wow, that is amazing.
The truth.